back to the Unfolded English Podcast. I am your host, Lucy.
And I am your host, Alex. Hi, everyone. So happy to be here with you today.
Alex, imagine you are sitting on the subway. It is a long ride. The train is quiet. You look next to you, and there is a person holding something interesting, maybe a book you love or a cute photo on their phone. You want to say something, but you feel shy. What do you do?
That happens to me all the time. I want to talk, but I am not sure if the person wants to talk. I don't want to bother them.
I understand. Many people feel that way. But small talk on the subway can be very simple. It is just a short, friendly conversation. It can make the ride more pleasant.
Okay, so how do I start? The person is reading a book. I see the cover. I have read that book.
Perfect. That is a great reason to talk. You can smile and say, "Excuse me, I see you are reading that book. I love that book."
Excuse me, I see you are reading that book. I love that book. That is polite. I start with "excuse me" so they know I am talking to them.
Yes, then they will probably look up and smile. They might say, "Oh, really? You have read it?"
So I can say, "Yes, I finished it last month. It was so good."
Right. Then you can ask, "What do you think of it so far?"
What do you think of it so far? That is a natural question. It keeps the conversation going.
Exactly. They might tell you their opinion. Then you can agree or share your own thoughts.
Okay, that sounds easy. But what if they are not reading a book? What if they are just looking at their phone?
Good question. If they are wearing something interesting, you can comment on that. For example, "Excuse me, I love your bag. Where did you get it?"
Excuse me, I love your bag. Where did you get it? That is a compliment. People usually like compliments.
Yes, they might say, "Thank you. I got it at a small shop downtown." Then you can say, "It is really nice. I have been looking for something like that."
So the conversation starts with a compliment. That feels natural.
Right. Or you can comment on something happening outside the window. For example, "Wow, look at that building. I have never noticed it before."
Wow, look at that building. I have never noticed it before. That is a good observation. The other person might look and agree.
Yes, they might say, "I know, right? It is so tall." Or, "I think it is new."
So the conversation starts from something we both can see. That is safe.
Exactly. You are sharing an experience together, even for just a moment.
Okay, now what if the train is crowded and we are standing very close to someone?
That is a different situation. You can make a small comment about the crowd. For example, "Wow, it is really busy today."
Wow, it is really busy today. That is simple. The other person might say, "I know, it is always like this at this time."
Yes. Then you can say, "Do you take this train every day?"
Do you take this train every day? That is a natural question. It shows interest in their routine.
Right. They might say yes or no. If they say yes, you can ask, "How long is your ride?"
How long is your ride? That is another good question. They might say, "About 30 minutes. And you?"
About 20 minutes for me. Not too bad.
So we are having a short conversation about our daily lives. That is nice.
Yes, it is small talk. It does not have to be deep. It is just a way to be friendly.
Okay, what if the person has a baby with them? Can I talk about the baby?
Of course. People love to talk about their babies. You can say, "What a cute baby. How old is she?"
What a cute baby. How old is she? That is a nice thing to say. The parent will probably smile.
Yes. They might say, "Thank you. She is 6 months old." Then you can say, "She is so calm. My friend's baby cries all the time."
That is funny. The parent might laugh. Then you have a little connection.
Right, but remember, be careful. Some people might not want to talk. If they give short answers and look away, it is okay to stop talking.
That is important. How do I know if they want to talk?
Look at their body language. If they smile, make eye contact, and give long answers, they probably want to talk. If they just say yes or no and look at their phone, they want to be alone.
So I should read their signals. If they seem busy, I don't push.
Exactly. Small talk should be friendly, not forced.
Okay, let's practice some sentences for starting a conversation on the subway.
Great idea. A very simple sentence is, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?"
Oh, right. That is a good one. If the seat next to them is empty, you can ask that.
Yes. Then they will say, "No, it is free," or "Yes, someone is sitting here." Then you can say, "Okay, thank you."
So that is a very short conversation, but it is still a connection.
Right. Then maybe after you sit, you can say, "It is hot today, isn't it?"
It is hot today, isn't it? That is a weather comment. Always safe.
Yes. They might say, "Yes, I am so ready for fall." Then you can agree,
Do you know what time this train arrives at Central Station?
"Perfect." That is a practical question. It is natural to ask on the subway.
Then they will tell me the time. I can say, "Thank you so much," and maybe add, "I am new to this line."
Oh, that is good. If you say you are new, they might give you more information. They might say, "Oh, it is about 15 more minutes."
Then I can say, "Good to know. Thanks again." And the conversation ends naturally.
Exactly. Now let's practice a full conversation together.
Okay, great. You be the person on the subway. I will start.
Okay. I am sitting on the subway, reading a book.
Excuse me, I see you are reading that book. I love that book.
Oh, really? You have read it?
Yes, I finished it last month. It was so good. What do you think of it so far?
I am really liking it. The main character is so interesting.
I agree, and the ending was surprising. I did not expect it.
Oh, no spoilers. I am not there yet.
Sorry, I won't say more, but you will like it.
Haha, okay, thank you. It is nice to meet someone who loves the same book.
Yes, it is. Well, this is my stop. Have a good day.
You too. Enjoy the rest of your day.
That was a perfect conversation. It felt very natural.
Yes, you did great. You started with the book, shared your opinion, and ended politely when it was your stop.
I noticed I said sorry when I almost gave a spoiler. That was natural too.
Yes, apologizing when you almost make a mistake is polite. People appreciate that.
Okay, now let's practice another situation. This time, the train is crowded and we are standing.
Okay, we are standing close together. The train is moving.
Wow, it is really busy today.
I know, it is always like this at 5 o'clock.
Do you take this train every day?
Yes, I work downtown. How about you?
I take it a few times a week. I am a student.
Oh, what do you study?
I study English, actually. I am practicing by talking to people.
That is wonderful. Your English is very good.
Thank you. That is so nice to hear. This is my stop. Nice talking to you.
You too. Have a great evening.
That felt good. I even shared something personal, that I am learning English.
Yes, and the other person was encouraging. That is a nice experience.
So, small talk can lead to nice moments like that.
Exactly. You never know what will happen when you start a conversation.
Okay, let's list some useful sentences for subway small talk.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
It is really busy today, isn't it?
I love your bag. Where did you get it?
Do you know how many stops to Central Station?
What a cute baby. How old is she?
I see you are reading that book. Is it good?
Well, this is my stop. Have a good day.
Those 7 sentences can help in almost any subway situation.
Yes, and remember, you can change the words. Book can be magazine. Bag can be shoes. Baby can be dog.
Right, you learn the pattern, then you change the words for your situation.
Now, what if someone starts talking to you first? How do you respond?
Oh, that is a good question. I need to be ready for that too.
Excuse me, is this seat taken? You just say, no, it is free. Go ahead.
No, it is free. Go ahead.
If they say, it is hot today, isn't it? You can say, yes, I am so ready for some cool weather.
Yes, I am so ready for some cool weather.
If they give you a compliment, like, I love your bag, you say, thank you so much. That is so kind.
Thank you so much. That is so kind.
And if they say, well, this is my stop, you say, nice talking to you. Take care.
Nice talking to you. Take care. That is a warm way to say goodbye.
Exactly. So you have sentences for starting and for responding.
This is very helpful. I feel more ready for my next subway ride.
Good. Let's do a quick recap of 3 easy sentences from today.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
It is really busy today, isn't it?
Well, this is my stop. Have a good day.
Those 3 will help you in any subway situation.
And remember, always be friendly and read the other person's signals.
Yes, if they want to talk, great. If not, that is okay too.
This was a great conversation, Lucy. I think our listeners will feel more confident now.
I hope so. Small talk is a skill, and you can practice it every day.
If today's conversation helped you feel more confident, please follow our podcast.
Yes, please follow us. When you follow, it helps our channel grow. Then we can help more people like you.
And when you listen often, your English improves little by little. Every episode teaches you new sentences for real life.
We are happy to practice with you every day. Keep listening and keep practicing.
You can do this. Talking to a stranger on the subway is easy now.
Thank you for listening today. Have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you next time.
Bye for now.